For over 3 centuries, humanity has stared at Jupiter's Great Red Spot with a mixture of awe and absolute terror. A cosmic hurricane twice the size of Earth, swallowing everything in its path. But while Western space agencies have treated this monstrous vortex as a distant scientific curiosity, China's space program, CNSA, has recently turned its sights toward it with a fierce, unprecedented urgency. Chinese planetary scientists and astrophysicists, utilizing advanced supercomputing simulations at the Chinese Academy of Sciences, have put forward a staggering theory. The Great Red Spot is not just a surface storm, but a gateway to the planet's deepest secrets, potentially hiding a massive, exotic core of liquid metallic hydrogen under unfathomable pressure. Chinese researchers speculate that this violent vortex acts as a thermal chimney, channeling deeply hidden internal energy from Jupiter's core, and unlocking its physics could grant whoever solves it a literal blueprint for harvesting planetary-scale energy. However, time is rapidly running out for Beijing's cosmic ambitions, because this legendary crimson superstorm is officially dying. Satellite telemetry confirms the Great Red Spot is shrinking at an alarming rate, transforming China's upcoming Tianwen-4 mission into a high-stakes, literal race against time to study the vortex before it vanishes or changes forever. To catch this dying monster, Chinese engineers are executing a daring, high-risk deep space trajectory that pushes human technology to its absolute limit. In this video, we are going to look past the heavily classified walls of China's space agency to uncover the real science, the brilliant theories of their top minds, and the geopolitical space race to conquer the largest planet in our solar system. Because whoever unlocks the secrets of Jupiter first holds the keys to the future of deep space exploration. The weapon China is building to conquer this gas giant is the highly anticipated Tianwen-4 mission, a dual spacecraft armada engineered to face Jupiter's lethal environment. Scheduled to blast off around 2029 or 2030, this high-stakes voyage isn't just a basic flyby, it is a brutal test of survival against the solar system's most intense radiation belts, which can instantly fry standard electronics. While one probe is designed to break away and enter orbit around icy moon Callisto, the main heavy-duty orbiter will dive dangerously close to Jupiter's upper atmosphere. Equipped with cutting-edge radar and deep-penetrating sensors, its primary mission is to pierce through the thick, swirling ammonia clouds and map the intense, chaotic magnetic fields right beneath the Great Red Spot, providing the first truly high-definition look into the violent interior of an alien giant. The sheer engineering required for this journey is pushing China's aerospace sector into a league of its own, testing massive solar arrays and advanced nuclear heating units designed to keep the spacecraft alive in the freezing, sun-starved outer solar system. But as Chinese scientists race against the clock to lock in their trajectories, a silent parallel countdown is ticking right here on Earth, reshaping the balance of power in the modern space race. If this dive into China's classified push for Jupiter is keeping you on the edge of your seat, make sure to hit that subscribe button to Exoplanet X and drop a like on this video. We bring you the raw, untold side of space exploration almost every single day, so turn on notifications right now so you never miss our next daily dive into the void. To truly understand why Beijing is pouring billions into reaching Jupiter, you have to look beyond basic astronomy and into the cold reality of global superpower status. For decades, the United States has held an unchallenged monopoly on the outer solar system, with legendary missions like Voyager, Galileo, and Juno cementing American dominance in deep space. For China's leadership, matching NASA's achievements on Mars and the Moon was just the beginning. The real test of a supreme space superpower lies in the outer solar system. By successfully inserting a heavy orbiter into Jupiter's unforgiving radiation belts, China aims to shatter the perception of American space supremacy, proving to the world that their technology, engineering, and scientific infrastructure are none to one. Yet, the motivations aren't just political. They are rooted in a long-term vision for resource dominance and revolutionary physics. Jupiter's massive system of over 90 moons acts like a mini solar system, packed with trillions of dollars worth of water ice, rare elements, and volatiles that could fuel the next century of deep space infrastructure. Furthermore, Chinese scientists know that mastering the extreme physics found inside Jupiter, such as the creation of metallic hydrogen under pressures millions of times greater than Earth's, could unlock breakthroughs in quantum computing, materials science, and clean energy fusion back on Earth. For China, Jupiter isn't just a destination, it is the ultimate cosmic laboratory, and the nation that controls the data from that laboratory will dictate the rules of the next industrial revolution. Ultimately, China's rush to the outer solar system forces us to realize that the window to observe the universe as we know it is actively closing. The Great Red Spot has been a constant, comforting beacon of cosmic violence for centuries, a visible reminder of the sheer scale of the cosmos. Yet, its rapid shrinking proves that even the most massive planetary structures are temporary. If China's Tianwen-4 doesn't reach the gas giant in time, humanity might completely lose its greatest opportunity to study a mature superstorm from the inside out. We are living in a unique cosmic moment where our technological evolution is barely keeping pace with the decay of the very wonders we are trying to observe. This high-stakes mission serves as a stark reminder that deep space exploration is no longer a slow, collaborative scientific endeavor. It is a fast-paced sprint driven by survival, prestige, and the hunger for infinite energy. The hostile vacuum surrounding Jupiter, with its crushing gravity and lethal radiation, is the ultimate filter for human ambition. It is a place where only the absolute pinnacle of engineering can survive, forcing both China and the West to innovate at a breaking point. We are no longer just looking at the stars through telescopes. We are actively reaching out to claim the physics that govern them, and the results of this race will echo for generations to come. When the Chinese orbiter finally makes its dangerous insertion burn into Jupiter's orbit in the mid-2035s, the data beaming back to Earth will do more than just rewrite textbooks. It will signal the definitive dawn of a multipolar space age, where the secrets of the cosmos are no longer held by a single nation. Whether it is discovering diamond rain, harvesting planetary energy, or simply watching the final breaths of a dying crimson monster, conquering Jupiter is the ultimate validation of human curiosity. It proves that no matter how terrifyingly hostile the abyss may be, our drive to stare into the eye of the storm and demand answers is a force that cannot be stopped. The race to the largest planet in our solar system is officially on, and the secrets hidden within its violent clouds could change everything we know about physics. Which country do you think will unlock the mysteries of Jupiter first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to give that like button a smash and subscribe to Exoplanet X. We bring you the raw, untold side of space exploration almost every single day, so turn on notifications right now, and we'll see you in the next daily dive into the void.
It's very important to understand how hotspot meteorology works in order to place these in situ measurements from the Galileo probe in its proper context.